In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to webhooks, a process that will take us just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and go through these steps together so this setup is smooth and efficient. First, open your web browser and visit calendly.com. This is where everything begins. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on Login. This will prompt you to access your Calendly account, so go ahead and enter your email address in the designated field and then click Continue. At this point, you'll be asked for your password. Just type it in and hit continue again. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the Calendly homepage. Now, direct your attention to the navigation menu. You'll want to click on Integrations and Apps. After doing this, a list of options will appear, and your next step is to select API and webhooks. This is crucial because webhooks are the focal point of today's tutorial. It's important to note that accessing webhooks requires having a Calendly account with a paid subscription. If you don't have this yet, now's the time to make sure your account is eligible. Next, you will need a personal access token, which acts as a unique key to connect your Calendly account securely to any third-party application that accepts webhooks. To obtain this token, go back to the Calendly integrations page. Here, you'll see an option to generate a personal access token. Just follow the on-screen instructions to create this token, ensuring you keep it secure and confidential. Before you configure the webhooks, ensure you have a URL set up where Calendly can send its webhook notifications. This could be a URL associated with your application or service, or an endpoint you've specifically designated to receive these notifications. Once you have your access token and URL ready, you're poised to complete this powerful integration. Remember, integrating Calendly with webhooks allows you to streamline your workflows and enhance how you manage scheduling data across various applications seamlessly. Whether you're looking to trigger emails, SMS notifications, or update CRM systems, webhooks serve as a bridge between Calendly and your desired application. And that's it! You've successfully connected Calendly to webhooks in just a few minutes. Thank you for joining me on this tech journey. With consistent practice and understanding, you'll not only save time but also enhance your task automation capabilities. Remember to give this setup a test run to ensure everything is up and running flawlessly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights and tutorials. Until next time, take care.